There's quite a few ways to snap to things in the editor, but did you know that you can use vertex snapping to snap like edge snap, as well as a way to snap to multiple specific preset points?
Huh?
First, let's go through some of the common ways to snap in the editor. Grid snapping, edge snap to the floor, surface snapping, vertex snapping. You can also find some of these snapping methods in the right-click menu, as well as in the shortcut bindings. Now for the less known methods. Normally you snap directly on the vertex, but if you move the pivot point of the actor and then use vertex snapping, you quickly achieve edge snapping via the vertex snap. And even if you aren't making a 2D or 2.5D game, you can use the 2D layer snapping, which allows for some flexibility in order to snap objects to preset points. You can add many more points if needed. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.